If you're like me and you saw the new Mean Girls movie musical like 85,000 times, maybe even just once is fine, but I just really liked it, so I watched it a lot. You were obsessed with Avantika Vandanapu's hair. She played Karen Smith in Mean Girls. Her hair, I could not stop staring at it. It is like the most long, luscious, curly hair I think I maybe have ever seen in the entire world. It is now my life goal to have hair as long as hers, and we have kind of a similar curl pattern, but she definitely styles her hair different than me. I scoured the internet to find her curl routine. I could not find it. I don't think that she's necessarily posted about it, but she did do a collaboration with Fable and Mane. Fable and Mane is in this month's Curls Monthly, if you're watching in real time. And so that got me thinking, she may have not posted her full curl routine, but I can kind of put the puzzle pieces together and sort of reverse engineer what I think she probably does on her hair. So I'm going to guess and check, reverse engineer her hair, and see if I can make mine look kind of like hers. Obviously my hair is in a slick back right now, but it is quite curly, so if you're used to watching my videos, you know what it looks like, and you know it's a wash day when there's a slick back in my hair. But if you don't know me, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Del Monica. I'm the CEO and founder of Curls Monthly. Curls Monthly is a curly hair subscription membership that delivers the best products to your doorstep monthly. This month we have the Fable and Mane SahaScalp Cooling Mud Mask inside of March 2025's Curls Monthly mailer, which is what inspired this entire video. But also throughout Curls Monthly, we really emphasize one-to-one curl education, so you can actually be paired with a curl coach just included with your monthly membership, so you can ask them any questions about your curls, get feedback on your routine, all the things. So it's really a one-stop shop for curls. So clear off your shelves, ladies, because you're about to have a lot of curl products coming your way. Of course, if you're not subscribed, I'll link that below so you can check it out. So before I get into this curl routine, I am definitely going to use this scalp mask, don't worry, but gonna talk about it a little bit before I use it. I actually don't think I've ever seen a product like this because it's a post-shampoo treatment. We always talk about pre-shampoo treatments. I made up the term post-shampoo because I've never even heard of it, but this is a mask that you do post-shampoo pre-conditioner. So it's kind of like that in-between thing. I've never seen a mask like this. I think it's super interesting and I'm really excited to use it with you for the first time on camera. And of course, that is going to be sort of one of the products that I'm basing this routine off of to see if I can like recreate that look. If you're not familiar with Fable and Mane in general, it's a great brand. I see them all the time in Sephora. Their packaging is one of my favorite packagings of all time. But the brand was founded by people who were inspired by their Indian heritage, and they founded the brand off of their childhood memories watching their grandma use oils, different oils on their scalp and their hair to grow their hair, make their hair healthier, happier. So they blended traditional Indian ingredients with like modern sciences, and that's how Fable and Mane was born. But really, really like this brand. So excited it's in Curls Monthly. It's the first Fable and Mane product we have inside of Curls Monthly, so maybe we'll have more one day, but I love them, and I'm really excited to use this. So like I said, it's a post-shampoo treatment. It will condition your scalp. So they kind of classify it as a facial for your scalp, which sign me up, I'm super intrigued. And it's supposed to leave your scalp moisturized and more cleansed and more balanced. But it also has menthol in it, so it's going to like make your scalp feel so nice. So very excited about that. And it does support instant relief to irritated scalp. So if you're somebody who like has scalp issues, especially right now it's cold outside, this probably would be perfect for you. Some other ingredients are to note in here. We have cedarol alcohol and glycerin, which are both moisturizing ingredients right at the top. Then we have isomol laurate, which is also a conditioning ingredient. Then this is interesting, sea silt. I had never heard of this before. But sea silt actually soaks up excess oils and also adds body to your hair. So I love putting that on your roots to like add that body. Hence why when we attempt to do this curl routine, we need that body because that girl, she has some body. I also love that there's like apricot oil and banana extract in here, so it's definitely a unique product to say the least. And then it also has bentonite. I've done a full video on bentonite clay before, and this has that in that. So I think that's so cool. Definitely something like this would be great for people with scalp issues, or really just anyone who wants like instant scalp relief. Your scalp is really like the soil to your hair routine, so you need to make sure that your scalp is healthy so you can have a good hair routine. Of course, I'm going to try to, as much as I can, imitate Avantika Vandanapu's curl routine. She has much longer hair than me, and I have pretty long hair, so that's saying a lot. So of course I'm gonna be missing a little bit of that body and that length, but you can really see in her hair how like individualized and very specified her curls are. Like she has skinny curl clumps. So I'm gonna definitely try to imitate that. And I'm also definitely going to make sure to not do too much curl manipulation, like curl brush styling and stuff. So let's hop to the shower. Every good curl routine starts with a shampoo. We'll style, we'll go through the whole thing, and cross my fingers that I can try to imitate this in some way, shape, or form. So something that I love about Avantika's hair is that it like comes so much out of the top. Like there's no root drooping. It's all just like super voluminous up top. So to accomplish that, I'm gonna make sure to use a clarifying shampoo. Clarifying shampoo is going to make sure that my scalp is squeaky clean. So starting off this routine strong with a good clarifying shampoo. And as always, double shampoo. Now for the main attraction, the Fable and Mane Cooling Scalp Mud Mask. So you just put like a dime size amount on your hands and you apply it just directly to the root of your hair. And you can kind of just massage for about a minute. Oh, it feels so soothing. It makes my scalp feel like light and airy. You just want to like massage in these circular motions. I don't know if she used this product, but I'm guessing because her curls are immaculate and she partnered with Fable and Mane, so we're guessing. After about a minute of massaging that in, you should keep it on your scalp for like 10 minutes so you can like shave your legs, do whatever you would normally do in the shower, and then rinse it out and follow up with conditioner. Now I'm gonna go in with like a medium weight conditioner. Again, I want my curls to be hydrated, but I don't want them to be like super hydrated because she thrives with volume. So as always, I just rake that through my hair. Obviously, the styling part is going to make or break this routine. How she styles her curls are so specific. So I'm just rewetting my hair a little. It's been about 5 minutes since I got out of the shower, so I just want to make sure that I get it nice and wet before I put any products in. And all I'm going to do for this routine is style with the cream. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this lighter weight protein containing cream. I'm going to add it to my hair, but I'm not going to do any brush styling. I'm just going to section my hair into 3 sections, rake it through, and scrunch. This is the final result. Do you think that I at all made my curls look like hers? Honestly, I see the vision. I really do. Again, she has different hair than me. It's a lot longer. But my curls, more than normal, are very, very, very skinny and individualized, which is really like the goal that I wanted. And I have good root volume from the top, which she also has. And they're nice and shiny like hers are too, and kind of springy. So I think I did a good job considering that we have 2 different heads of hair and I have no idea what she's doing. But let me know on a scale of 1 to 10 how you think I did below. 10 is I look like her twin, 1 is I'm way off. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.